Let's say it's 8. 11 and what? 8. Alright now, let's go. Normal sleeve, oh, normal sleeve. You cut it like normal sleeve. Don't go and widen it or leave it first. So, but you want to cut, you won't fold it into 4. You just cut only one sleeve. Are you getting me? Cut one, that one sleeve is what you're going to use to trace the other sleeve. Are you there? Why you could not be? Why not be doing? And you have a lot of big space in your phone. So how will you start? Look how you want to start. The arm is how many? 11. Divided by 2 is what? 5.5 plus how many? 2.5 plus normal sleeve cutting. You want to get the wideness. Then you fold it with this part here. See it's folded here. You are cutting a normal sleeve. You know she's slim. This thing is okay for her already. So how to get your normal sleeve? The arm here divided by what? 2 plus 2.5. You are cutting the person's normal size. Me looking at this sleeve length, I know it will be enough for her, right? Then you do what? You cut out. Who's not videoing? You have a video. Why you not videoing? Because tomorrow I won't be here to take my without asking me a question. Are we there? Then the next thing is what? Our sleeve length. It's what? You don't add any allowance. Don't add any what?
Allowance.
Because you know we still add
Band.
So in case you don't know how to cut normal sleeve, this is how to cut normal sleeve. But if you are cutting normal sleeve and if you're not using pattern cutting, what will you do? You fold it into 4 so that you can cut 2 sleeves. If you fold your sleeve into 4, you are cutting how many?
2.
If you fold it into 4, you are cutting 2 sleeves. If you fold it into 2, you are cutting 1. Now this thing I'm cutting, am I not used to do anything? I should create the way it's not so. I only use it to trace the 2 sleeve. So this open side, you mark what? 4. The middle of it here. In between this now, for example, you just do like this, 8, Abby. Total is 8, right?
Yes.
8 divided by 2 is what? 4. Look at the 4 here. You mark what? 1.5. 4, 1.5. Cut that. Then you curve it like this. You see? Hope all is well. Eh? Okay. Are you there? What's the arm?
11.
Divided by 2 is what? 5 points. So it's somewhere here. And you know, this place is where the arm part, where you fix to the hand. This place you are seeing. Then if you shift from here, it's meaning I shift from here to here. That's where the arm is located. 5.5 plus what? 1 inch. Are you there? 1 inch. Then you join it. Sorry. And what the last sleeve? 8 divided by what? 2 back plus what? 1. Do what? Join. So this is your normal sleeve. This is your normal sleeve. This one is doing this stuff. So normal sleeve, right? This center line is our bottom one line. So we have to open it to form. Don't say that you can put the fabric into 2, then you now curve it. It should not work like that. You can just slash it as many as you want. There is no particular opening, standard opening. Open it as many as you want. Then let me use 1 inch interval. If you use 1 inch, you continue with what? 1 inch. 1 inch arm. to the rest part. One here. You bring your ruler, or you cannot do like this. One, 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 one. You understand? You cannot go like this. Do four like this. Mark here, mark here, mark here, mark here. Right? Mark, 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 mark here. You mark this, mark this, mark this. Okay. Mark this. Mark here, here, and here. Then you do what? You join. You understand? Easy way. You understand? Very easy. If you're doing your own, use ruler, yeah? Instead of opening it and start doing it one by one, why not do it like this? You can cut it. Until you cut it, you have cut the other side too. See? Am I too fast? You want to forget. Don't cut all. Don't remove it. Three. Me at three. 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 See, now the security of Sharon in the room antibiotic medicine now. Time to drink it. Sharon, you want to do the antibiotic now. I have two pieces. One week now. This one is not difficult. Hello.
Alright.
You see? Which I've told you, the main thing you need to get first is the sleeve size. So that if you are doing all these things, after sewing it, you still rhyme on your sleeve length and everything. So, remember, I've not got the center part. Here is the balance, Abby.
Yes.
So I've told you, you know what? So when you have gotten this one, keep it one side, and now bring the red fabric and look for it. I want to use this one. You use your extension, use your fabric, and then use your move on this. Remember, if you are placing it on this one here, you will do what? Fold it into two. So you can cut it to sleeve. But I don't want to waste some fabric. I'm cutting those one. I'm going to bring all my fabric, different fabric to waste now. You guys. Still waiting. Everybody says, listen, friend. Don't abandon us. Please look at what you're going to do here. First of all, get the center one first. Look at it. Do you know that you can still extend it bigger? If you want the hand to be too big, so big, your choice. This is a room now, this is the time you can increase it or not. You can increase it, you can open it more. That means I want it to be more big.
Bigger.
But this babe now, she's slim, she don't want to be too big. Do you understand? Moderate, right? Then now look at what I want to do for me here. Look at the center part here, yeah? You understand? Start from that center point here. If you leave here 2 inch, make sure the next one is what? 2 inch. That is the game plan. Make sure this one is what?
2 inch.
Make sure this one is also what? So, please, I want my pin office thing. The office thing for me. Hmm? Even one. Even one. Just, is there? I'm seeing it. Just one. Just need. Just to hold this thing. Can move it. Just move it. If I give some people assignment, they will not do it at home. We do it in the shop here. Center line. So I told you what I want to do, right? It's 1.5, 1.5. You want to leave. You do what? Leave the same 1.5. Wait for my screen tape. I can do this thing and cut it, but for the sake of beginners, you must know you must do it accurately to avoid preaching. Yes, sir. But so if you want to make it 3 inch, it's your choice. It's not so. It's still your choice. Eh? Yeah. Change the both one and use it. So if you can buy your masking tape, you cut small. If here is 2 inch, you just use and hold it one by one so it will not be moving. You understand? So let's assume this thing is what 2 inch, right? You now bring your chalk. Now bring your chalk here. Bring your chalk. You do what? You mark it accurately. Please, I'll be doing the cutting first, all the cutting first, before we start joining one by one. I don't want to understand what I'm saying? All the sleeve cutting. Uh, Somebody will say, why not just put the fabric into and just curve it? It should not give you the same thing. It should not give you the same thing. So people just make here big, will now fold it. It will not give you the same thing as others. You see, just because I slashed it, open it, here now became round on its own. Some people normally use this pattern, they can use A line pattern for their own. So I didn't mean I selected this thing now. This thing will not be shifting. So I follow the same shape and shape. Same thing. So when you are done, because it's actually a friend then when you are done, you remove. See the shape of your sleeve is still here. It will not affect it. Oh my goodness. That is good for nothing. Are we there now? You do see it. Had it been I open it more, this thing would have come to this place again like this. It should have been like this more, it should have extended. You see? So this one is like moderate. Then what I'm going to do here is to do what? Gathers.
Yes.
Gather. Gathers on this part here. So this one is gone. The next thing is the band. How to get the band? What to cut the band? How do you do it? The band is 3 inch. If the band is 3 inch, what are you going to do? You measure 7 inch. Measure what? Mark like this. Mark 7 like this. 7. You add 1 to the 6, Abi.
Yes.
Flip like this. Then once it's round sleeve, the waist, how many?
8.
8.
Yes.
So you mark 8 plus 2, 10. Is it not so? 10. Remember, assuming I'm cutting the 2 sleeve, what will I do? I'll fold it into 2 so that I can cut the 2 together.
Together.
So we'll do like this. I don't measure this right up. You fold it into 2 to give you how many? I measured 7 like this. I give you 3.5. That half is for the joining. The normal 3 will still remain 3. You say it. So because this thing is light, you can't leave it like this. Some will put it gum stay, or you can put all of them like this, close gum. Close gum is the best for it. Put close gum, then iron it. How do you sew it? I'll also show you. You sew like this and turn it to give you. Don't worry, keep it one side. So it's gone. Any question on this one? You. You. Now add the combo. You know now. You know this one. You know this one. That means you need to fence. Keep this one there. What is the next one?